Hello YouTube, thanks for watching. So I'm going to talk about the prosperity marketing system, and I'm just going to give you an update how I'm doing. I joined this platform this month. So it hasn't even finished my first month yet. So I joined on about the 11th of November and it's now the 29th of November. So I don't know, less than 3 weeks. So I'm going to talk a little. First of all, you're going to get access to my done-for-you stuff, such as these share codes that you'll get. These are share codes for Prosperity Marketing System. These particular share codes are actually not Leads Leap share codes. They are exclusive Prosperity Marketing System share codes. It's all built in, and you'll get that when you join my team. It's all in the back. You'll also get my essential guides, my AI essential guide. They're all video guides that I've personally put together. So you'll get those. You get 5 modules in there. Plus you'll get free access to my lead magnet training course on how to create your own lead magnets. These are viral lead magnets. I sell this elsewhere, but you get it for free when you join me. You'll also get my 5-module video training that I teach for video marketers, and you also get my share codes, as I mentioned, including the email follow-up series. You get my autoresponder integration for Leads Leap, so Prosperity Marketing System then seamlessly integrates to Leads Leap. So it's all built in. You also get my initial essential training as well. So this covers all kind of marketing tools and everything for training, video training on things like introduction to digital marketing and network marketing, building your personal brand, setting up your personal online presence, and so on. It goes through email marketing. It touches pretty much everything. So you'll get all that. So really what I wanted to share with you guys in this video is, if we go just close that down, affiliate center. So my downline. So how have I done? So I'm just going to close that because that's personal information there. Now, as you can see, my total downline, 474 members. That's not even 3 months. So that's not even 3 months. Sorry, it's not even 3 weeks. I haven't been in 3 weeks, guys. That's like since the 11th of November. It's now the 29th of November. So however many days, I don't know, 20 odd days. Whatever, something like that, whatever it is, just over 20 days or whatever. But so not very long. And my front line, 189 members, second line, 280 members. So the second line are getting to work. It's amazing. And even the third line are starting to build as well. Building the third line. So we can email and personalize an email to our downline. So this is powerful. Guys, you get 100% commissions with this product, with this profit, with this system. 100% commissions. So you bring in one person, you're from that point on, you're in profit. So you break even with one person that comes in. It's really easy to set up. I've also added in some of my own value into here. So that's the great thing is when you come in, it's basically a downline builder. And you can control what programs you want in here. So whatever you want your downline to see. And if they keep those programs in there, their downline will see that as well. So each member comes in, it's up to them what they want their downline to see. So and also if you come in at the $12 level, you're still going to make money if somebody below you decides to go up to the owner level, which is only a one-time $97. So getting all in is a no-brainer. It's not a high-ticket system. This $97 is a one-time, but you don't even need that if you don't feel you need it. But you get a lot of value with that. Some people will decide that's an absolute steal because you get to become an owner. In other words, you can customize the back office with your own training, adding your own training in there, and I've done that. And it's really, really powerful. You can decide who sees that, your tour takers, your people on board, which levels can see it and which levels can't access the training, but that's up to you. You may not need that level. But coming in at the $12 level, and let's say somebody below you comes in at the owner level, you still make that 100% commission. So that you don't lose commissions. That's the powerful thing. And somebody was asking me about they don't like pass-ups, because yes, it's a 2 up to infinity pass-up system. To me, that's an amazing opportunity because if you think about it, guys, when one person, so on your second person gets passed up to your sponsor. Same applies to your downline. When your second person gets passed up and your fourth person gets passed up. Why is that so powerful for you? because your second person. So let's say you bring in your first person. They are required to pass up their second person to you, and then that person becomes your front line. So what then happens is that they are then required to pass up too. And those two people that they pass up will then be required to pass up another two. So really, in a way, if you think about it, just one person could potentially pass up an infinity number of people. That's the way it would work. Because although each individual only needs to pass up two and they're done, and the way it's done is nice because the first person that comes in, that's your qualifier to break even point. So you're broken even at that point. They've done it like that purposely. So I think that's fantastic. I think it's a great system that can, as you can see, a lot of people are really finding this an easy system to sell. It's an easy sell, guys, and a lot of people in my team are already in profit. So, and we've all only just joined in the last few weeks. I joined on the 11th of November, and I've already got a team of 474 people. So, and I can message them, and it's very powerful, guys. Very, very powerful. It's a great tool, and it's withstood the test of time. Yes, it's been around, but the thing that makes it worthwhile is that you can customize it. Unlike a lot of programs where you're forced to join something that you're not interested in doing, you could really design this whole thing. If you're really passionate and your team are really passionate about a particular company or a platform or a program or a set of businesses, you can put that in there. You can work with your team. You can get them all on Zoom and say, let's do this. Let's build the back office. And so that the training is exclusive to whatever set of programs you're involved in. But there's a lot of good programs already in here centered around traffic and tools, which you're going to need anyway. So a lot of the stuff I just kept in, but you can either edit them, put your own program in there, or you can add a new one. It's up to you. So very, very powerful indeed. Anyway, check it out, guys. Get on the link below. Look forward to working with you, and see you on the inside. Bye for now.